Hey, what's up everybody? Rick here. Today we got a opening, unboxing, first impressions video of a Vosteed today. Alright, I've never held a Vosteed, so this one's getting some traction online. I want to check it out because it seemed like it was something up my alley. And this one, Vosteed Raccoon. 14C 28N, satin blade, black micarta handle. So let's get into it. Let's see what are we gonna open it with. Now, bug out's right here. Alright, what's in the box? Ooh, there's a patch. Nice. What else is in here? Ooh, I got a support card. Got a raccoon sticker. And I don't know, instructions? I don't know. Keep that sticker out. Box. Put that up there. Alright. It's a pouch. Got a patch on there. That's cool. Little Ranger eye patch. Got cloth. Alright, let's check this thing out. So, this one is the top liner lock. So, like a compression lock. Sort of like the smock. But micarta feels nice. You got a deep carry pocket clip. That means you're still gonna have a little bit sticking out. Just something, whatever, I guess. Steel liners run through. I like the blue accent thumb stud, and it's right in a nice position too. So let's give this thing a flick here. Yeah. All right. Ooh. Okay. Let's give it another flick though. Oh. Yeah. Action feels nice. Nice solid lock up. No blade play. Up, down, left, right. Okay, the lock is where it's at. Action's good. Action's good, but I mean, a lot of knives have good actions, but that lock feels good in the hands. Forefinger, little choke up area. You got some jimping right here. Almost a drop point, almost sheep foot looking blade. Vosteed on one side, 14C 28N on the other. So very minimal billboarding like that. Thumb studs have just enough texture, hold it out so you can roll it out, flick it with thumb, reverse flick it. Oh yeah, not a problem. Centering. Blade centering is a little off, just a little off. Not worried about that. It can be fixed. Let's see where. Okay, there's where you can see the liner lock. No, it's not going anywhere. So, hardware on this. Bust up the Weehaw. What is that? T8? No, T6. This is wishful thinking. Pivot is T8. Thumb stud, T8. Yeah, it's T6. T6. Almost went Mike Tyson on me there. Body screws, pocket clip. How's it running on? It looks like there's some washers in there. If so, they're small and hard to see. I believe so, yeah. Washers. If I'm wrong, I'll correct that for it. And yeah, action's great. Feels great. I like the choke up. Large size hand, so it's a decent knife. Where's that measuring tape? Looking at 7.5 inches. Blade. Come on, catch it. Just over 3 1/4 cutting. 3. Just some size comparisons here. Up against the pair of 3. Sparticle PM2. So in between both those, again with the Benchmade bug out, just much closer bug out size. Benchmade grip tunion. Kaiser drop bear. Kaiser Milita. So yeah, I'll do a full review once I get a chance to carry it a little bit, cut some things with it, see how it goes. If you like this content, please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, tell me what you think about the Vosteed raccoon. Like I said, this is the first time I'm handling one, so I'll be interested to hear what you say. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Rick's Knives. There's lots of other pictures of knives and fun stuff happening there. Thank you for watching.